How to set up your first ad. Ensure you have posted the content you want to promote. So go to your Meta suite, which I'm in, click on content, then go to the post you would like to promote just to create awareness. Facebook will want to select your goal for you, but change it. Since this is an awareness campaign, you would like to create more video awareness. There are several goals you can select from, but for now we'll stick to video views. We want to get more views for our video. Then send a message no, just want them to interact with our videos. Then if it's not a special category, leave this unchecked. Then select your audience. I usually use automatic audience if I am new to the niche. Then set your amount. Ensure your amount is not below 3,500. Select advantage placement, and yeah, after that you can publish the ad.